This time on the Highland Woodworker.
But when you first start, just keep it simple, keep your day job as long as you can, and that way you don't put the pressure on the business.
Many part-time craftsmen and women dream about going full-time with their art. Learn how master woodworker Dave Punkashar turned his passion into a profession, selling reclaimed wood and hardwood lumber, designing and building furniture, and creating an entire team in the process. Plus, Popular Woodworking magazine keeps us out of a sticky situation. We'll also explore Lost Art Press's new book on tool sharpening and how these powerful no-rack vices on my bench provide a hands-free work situation. These stories and more this time on the Highland Woodworker.